Hello. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Not too bad, thanks. Not too bad. I have a reservation in 19 minutes. I see you have 32 minutes. Would you like to speak with another tutor?
No, I want to talk to you.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Andrew.
Oh, so is my name. My name is Andrew.
That's good. That's good.
Hello, Andrew.
We have the same name.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mozambique.
Okay. Well,
So,
I'm from Australia.
where are you from?
Australia.
Sorry, Shoreland.
Australia.
Okay, Australian.
Yeah.
Okay, so my friend Andrew, here I've prepared some expressions that I'd like to know their meanings.
Okay.
So the first one is this.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yes. Tie the knot.
Get married.
Okay, to get married.
Yes. Yep.
Okay, so for example, I can say, I will tie the knot next year.
Yes.
Awesome. I understand. I understood that. Okay, so I've got this one too.
Hit the sack. Yes. It means
to hit the sack.
It means that you're going to bed. You're going to bed to sleep.
Okay. May I give an example?
Yes.
For example, I can say, I'm too tired. I have got to hit the sack.
Yes. Perfect.
Is that correct?
It's correct. Yes, it's grammatically correct. Just be careful with the last word. Sack. Sack.
Okay. How do you read that?
Sack.
Sack.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. The next one is this. Keep your chin up.
Okay. It means keep your chin up. If somebody says keep your chin up, they are encouraging you not to be depressed and not to give up hope. They're telling you basically that everything will work out. Do not worry.
Okay. So we use these expressions just to encourage someone.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay. For example, I can say, don't be afraid. Keep your chin up. We're not yet lost.
Yes, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is this. To be broke.
To be broke.
Yes, what does it mean?
It means you have no money.
Okay, when I have no money, I can say I'm broke.
That's correct.
So if someone can ask something, for example, Andrew, can you buy something for me? I can say, no, my friends, I'm broke.
That's correct, yes. Well done. Yeah.
Okay. And the next one and the last is this.
To make it very simple for you, no. I will not do it. I cannot do it. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So we use this expression just to say something is impossible.
It depends on the context. Impossible covers a wide variety of ideas. If I said to you, Andrew, can you please give me $1 million? You're going to say, out of the question. Okay? So generally...
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, there's no hope, not a hope in hell that you're going to give me $1 million. Yeah.
Okay. For example, I can't buy a new car without money. Or buying a new car without money, that's out of the question.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, my friend Andrew.
Okay. Are you a teacher? Are you teaching
Nice
English?
to meet you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, I'm teaching English.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Have a nice...
You too. Take care. And good luck. Bye-bye. Bye, Andrew. Bye.